Watch me make it pop, 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 baby, I can't stop, stop, stop.
Imagine your Barbie having her very own closet that not only stores all of her fabulous outfits, but also has a working light up vanity. And guess what? You can carry it anywhere. Let me show you how I made this DIY Barbie closet carrying case using cardboard, chipboard, and some Dollar Tree magic. I was scrolling through Pinterest and this became my inspiration. This is my very first attempt at making a Barbie closet like this, so I kept it budget friendly with supplies from the Dollar Tree, plus some fabric scraps I had laying around. I even added this drawer handle from Home Depot to make it easy to carry, and so let's get into this process. So after I decided what the dimensions of the closet was going to be, I started with cardboard and chipboard to make the main structure. I cut out the panels for the walls, the floor, and the doors, and I reinforced the edges to make sure that it was sturdy before covering it with fabric for that designer look. Upcycling an old Tommy Hilfiger mini skirt, I used this denim to cover the top and the bottom panels of the 3 pieces of the closet. Once I covered all 3 of the panels, I then went ahead and figured out where I was going to put the handle, and I covered the sides and back of the boxes as well. For the closet rod, I used wooden dowels from the dollar store, and once I figured out where I wanted them to go, I went ahead and painted those gold so that they would match with the rest of the decor. I used the coordinating blue cotton to cover the inside of the closet. For the vanity, I used cardboard, chipboard, a mirror from the Dollar Tree, as well as those mini string of lights that they sell usually during holidays. So I cut out a piece of cardboard that was the same size as the mirror, and I used that cardboard as the foundation of the frame. And then I took the chipboard and I framed it, and then I glued the mirror on top of the cardboard. And then after I got that done, I put some holes along the side. So that's where the lights are going to go. And then once I made this whole little box frame around the mirror, then I was able to stick the lights in, and the configuration, that the little dealio that you use to turn the lights on and off, I stuck that on the bottom underneath that drawer, so you can just slide your hand up underneath there and use the switch to turn it on and off. Once I got that part done, then I started putting in other shelving units and curtain rods. Next, I needed to line everything up and add the hinges to it so it can open and close. I'm just checking to make sure that as I open and close the doors that there's clearance and everything fits together all nicely. And then I just threw a couple of things in there like a chair and whatnot. I just wanted to make sure that I could close it and open it again. I don't know, call me weird. And dun, dun, dun. Everything opens up all nicely. The girls can chill in there. So you can store like about $4 or $5 in there if they don't have any clothes. But if you do put some clothes and stuff in there, then you can definitely throw like about, I would say at least $4 up in there and carry it around. A little mirror lights up. It is so cute. And so I'm loving it. I'm excited. I think they're excited. And so I'm ready to do like a quote unquote real one out of more durable something besides cardboard, probably some MDF material. Off to Home Depot.
Watch me make it pop, 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 baby, I can't stop, stop, stop.
As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Watch my talent grow. Come and get beside me, let me